Move to India. Could you tell us about the country experience in terms of accessing vaccine for neglected tropical diseases and the impact in terms of quality is?
So thank you very much for this opportunity. And at the outset, I'd like to mention over here that India, like in the human vaccine or medicine side, is known as the pharmacy of the world. On the veterinary side also, India has shown its capabilities. Amongst the identified diseases which we take up as a national under the national vaccination program, all vaccines are manufactured in India, which goes on to say that there is a robust R&D mechanism, there is a robust procurement mechanism, and the industry has a lot of comfort and support from the government, and we have support from them likewise. So today, as far as rabies is concerned, so India is the largest manufacturing unit, IIL, for rabies, and it supplies to various countries in the world. Similarly, in the cysticercosis, we are the first country in the world who have come up with this vaccine. Having said that, there will always be new diseases that will keep cropping up. We have a recent example of lumpy skin disease, where there was no vaccine, but quickly we turned around to the goatpox vaccine, and we started using goatpox vaccine. We got the recommendations, etc., from the regulatory body. And now India has produced its own lumpy skin disease vaccine itself. So the regulatory mechanism is something where most of the manufacturers get a little stuck on. So we have an empowered committee under the chairmanship of the CVO of the country who regularly monitors the progress therein. The committee meets every 1 month, or if required, every week. COVID, in fact, has taught all of us how to quickly turn around things. One last thing that I would mention over here, along with the experience of manufacturing, it's the cold chain which is very, very important. And this has to be seen in the right earnestness as well.
Thank you very much. And I remember that so far India is the only country producing the cysticercosis vaccine, which is really a neglected disease. And glad to hear that the regulatory system has been put in place for registering such vaccines.